Do you know that Arnold Palmer made fruit snacks? Arizona iced tea. We got another brand of these too. So one pouch is 80 calories. That's pretty awesome. Sugars, 12 grams sugars. Not bad, not bad. I don't see no vitamins in here besides protein. That's a bummer. You guys should pack these with vitamins. Come on, it's kids' fruit gummy. Or fruit snack, however you want to say it. Now, how big are the bags? Because you get 10 of them, I do believe. Yes, 10 servings. Okay, so your average standard size. That's what one looks like. See, no preservatives, synthetic color, artificial flavor. Okay, you know what? Maybe we will be off to a good start here. Okay, so I'm trying to open it from the back. Open it right here. It's not that hard. Unless you're me, of course. Okay. They all look the same color, to be fair. Just about. I don't know. I'm picking up a weird smell. Maybe it's a fruit jelly or jam they use in these things. It just smells so weird. I want to spill them. Let's get them out in my hand. Not a bad amount. That's a little handful for what you get. Is that one small handful? Not bad. No, I'm losing my gummies. Yes, get your little gummy butt back into the bag. Clearly, they're meant to be eaten out of the pouch. Now, I do believe I read 4 flavors. If I had to guess, maybe a mango. It's really hard to tell the flavors apart because they're all the same color just about. Look at it. There's a slight difference, and that's about it. Is that one mango too? What is up with these? I don't know what flavor they are. It tastes a little different, I think. If you want somebody to pass a blind taste test, this is the way to fail them right here. It's going to be original. So far I think I had mango and original. So 2 flavors out of what, 4? Yep. So I got to try the peach and the strawberry still. They're not looking so strong for them. Might be a strawberry. I'm undecided. I'm really struggling just to know what flavor these are. They look different color, to be honest. Actually, yeah, this one's darker. supposed to be like a little bottle, maybe? So maybe that's supposed to be like a little bottle. No, they look different colored. Oh yeah, it is, because it says Arizona on them. It's incredibly hard to see. But if you look closely, you might be able to see it. Hopefully you guys seen that. And then what is it? What are these? Is that supposed to be a strawberry? So I can't even tell what that is. I see, it's their emblem. That's what it is. Honestly. It's nice that they're healthy and stuff, but the flavor is just not there. I don't know what I'm chewing on. They all... Black currant and black hair for coloring. Interesting. Black hair sound pretty cool. Is it? Yeah, Carnarba wax. Is that why they have no flavor? Come on, Arizona. Arnold Palmer. Wow, I can't even say his name. Palmer. Oh. Nope. Apparently not today. Can't English. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button while I drop all these in my car unintentionally. Honestly, you want some gummies? Sure. If you want flavoring, no. And that's my review. They don't have any flavor. The flavor is so small. It's more of the wax than the actual flavoring, or whatever gelatin they use. Product in Mexico. Cool. So yeah, it's just wax flavoring, or the wax Carnauba or whatever. I like the teas. The teas are nice and cheap. Gummies. You're better off drinking the teas. Nah. Not today. That is a thumbs down from me. Don't forget to hit that sub button. I'm watching you. Anyways, I hope you all have a good day. Peace.